Hello guys, how are you doing? Let me hope you guys are doing fine. And me personally, I'm doing great. And today's video, I just want to look at the battle between DeFi staking platform and GX staking platform. So right, before I jump in, I would like to tell you guys that whatever I do online is a risk, and it could involve you losing all your crypto that you have invested into these programs. So you should always do your due diligence, and you should always manage your risks very well. That's it. And for those who have not yet subscribed on my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any video from me again. So now let me jump in. GX staking platform. This thing, it did a record yesterday, and we know that it is a complete clone from DeFi staking platform. If I'm to change the interfaces here, even you can't notice that they are changing, except here only. You check it, guys. DeFi, GX, DeFi, GX. So everything is the same, and the logo here changes. But if you are to look at in the browser here, in GX staking platform, they still have the logo for DeFi staking platform. So now we don't know whether the owners are the same or the owners are different. We just don't know. But what we know is that GX, it broke a record. If I'm to go to the auction, even here I go to the auction, it broke a record last night. So this one only managed, GX, it is here on day one. It did 19.5 million, as you can see here. And I don't know why people fell for it, because for me personally, I had feared it because it was a complete clone of this. And the only thing that they did to make it as an improvement of DeFi is that they changed. Let me show you guys, where does the Tron go? They changed this. They added on to percentage, because all the dividends in DeFi staking platform, 95 was going to the stakers. So these guys, for them, they improved it and made it 97, leaving 3% for themselves and for the proportion of the platform. Another thing is that GX staking platform, it improved, or it did away with the people who were taking advantage of DeFi staking platform, and they were making stakes for as long as 5,000 days. You know, that was taking advantage of the system, as people were getting more shares compared to what they had put in. So these guys of GXY, they put up a limit, which is 180 days. So you cannot stake for more than 180 days. And another thing, I think people, they came in on day one and made 19 million because most people missed on the first 2 days of DeFi staking platform. And when their friends told them that this platform did well, so they had to jump into this one when it came on the scene. So another thing, this site is also not secure, as you can see here. It is not secure. I don't know if these guys are working on it. DeFi is secure because it faced very many hacks, so they know what they are doing. I think I'm going to go in all of them, and I would suggest you guys you try all of them. So those of you who are not yet in DeFi, you can join DeFi as well. And those of you who have not yet joined GXY, you can join GXY as well and test both systems. Me personally, I'm in DeFi and I have some active stakes. And this one also, I just bought a few yesterday just to test it. and I'm going to jump to buy some TRX or some tokens as well today. So should give it a try. This one has so far made 0.5 million TRX. We have 18 hours till the auction ends. This one is still struggling, but I still have faith in DeFi staking platform. I know it is just going through a transition and it will catch up very soon. So these are my active stakes in DeFi, and I have a collection here. So let me make this collection, and I'm going to stake this as well. So I'm collecting 1,500 TRX, and let me do a collection. Oops, up my wallet. The function is end stake, so I accept it. So it's going to disappear from here. It goes down. So let me refresh this a bit. So actually the activity in the auction launch, in the auction lobby of DeFi staking platform is low at the moment, and with the existence of this new clone, it's gonna be low in this couple of days until it will pick up. I know it will pick up. You know, in crypto, nothing is guaranteed. You can't know, you can't predict anything. You just have to sit and watch. So network is slow. Don't know why. So the balance has come up. I have 8465. And I'm gonna stake it for 10 days. I accept in my wallet. So I've successfully staked it for 10 days. So guys, that's the battle between DeFi staking platform and this clone XY staking platform. So I'm gonna keep watching all of them, and I'm gonna keep you guys updated on any update that I get from on my YouTube channel. So that's it, guys. I think you should stake in all of them. I'm leaving both links in the description of this video. Check them out and see for yourself as we see what's happening in the crypto space. Remember, you don't have to miss on any development. You have to jump in what people are in. That's how crypto works. Don't fall for something that doesn't have people. Where people go is where you should also go. You should always go with that trend. That's how crypto works. See you in the next video.